We, the students of Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, are trying to make a low-cost braille printer using NILab.
Talking about Braille. Braille is writing system which enables blind and partially sighted people to read and write through touch. What you are seeing is a Braille script corresponding to English alphabets. It consists of patterns of raised dots arranged in cells of up to 6 dots in a 3x2 configuration. For letter A, the dot in the first row, first column is raised. For letter B, 2 dots in the first column is raised, and the series goes on.
This is a front panel of our program, and we are here we are loading an already captured image and then doing the OCR in it. And here we have ADRA0504, and now we will be detecting the characters and then converting it into then doing the OCR and converting it into Braille and printing it. Now we will just run the program. OCR is done, and we are getting the output over here. This is a string that we have got from the loaded image, and the LEDs that are blinking in the front panel are the LED, the blinking LEDs are the real positions of the dots. The monitor is conducted, and the monitor is showing the image that has been loaded. We have done an OCR on it, and now as we just when we run the output of the program can be seen using a series of 6 LEDs. The blinking LEDs over here represent the actual positions of the dots. Now they are representing A, D, R, A, O, 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 and they are, the blinking positions are the actual positions of the dots of the braille. And in the printer that we are making, we are using a special type of printer head instead of this LED. The LEDs will be replaced by a printer head. These are the special type of printer heads that we are using to print the braille. This consists of a solenoid, and the solenoid is excited whenever you need a dot on the paper. And as the solenoid is excited using the CBS, we use a switching circuit using MOSFETs for exciting the MOSFET. Whenever the high comes in some port of the CBS, it is switched using a MOSFET, and once this solenoid is excited, the pin is pulled into it, and this pin goes and hits.
We hope that this portable real-time embedded device will aid the visually challenged in situations requiring on-the-go conversion of written script into Braille.